Hi, I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga, and here's a look at what you can expect from the markets today, Thursday, November 7th. Twitter's IPO will be in the spotlight today as the company's share prices climb. Twitter raised the upper end of its price range from $20 to $26 and is planning to issue 70 billion shares. This will be the largest U.S. technology IPO since Facebook's debut last year. Talks between Iran and the West begin today in Geneva, where the two sides will discuss Iran's disputed nuclear program. Iranian officials have claimed that the talks could result in the framework for a deal in just a week. The U.S. Commerce Department is expected to release a first estimate of GDP, which many believe will show that the U.S. slowed down in the third quarter. Decreased consumer spending is likely to be the cause, as it's expected to have grown at its slowest rate in over 2 years. As global PC sales declined, Lenovo extended its reach to smartphones and data servers. The company announced that its net profit increased by 36% from July to September, much higher than expectations. The European Central Bank is set to meet today amid calls to lower its main interest rate due to falling inflation. Although some ECB members voted to cut rates back in October, the bank is expected to maintain its interest rate and wait for further data to confirm whether or not the region's decline in inflation will be sustained. Asian markets were down across the board on Thursday. The Japanese Nikkei was down by 0.76%. China's Shanghai Composite lost 0.48%, and the Shenzhen Composite was down 1.14%. The Hang Seng Index lost 0.68%, and the South Korean Kospi was down by 0.48%. European markets opened mildly lower. The UK's FTSE was down by 0.19%, and the Eurozone Stock 600 was down by 0.17%. France's CAC 40 lost 0.12%, and the Spanish IBEX was down by 0.50%. In commodity markets, energy futures lost ground, with Brent futures down by 0.75% and WTI futures down by 0.13%. Gold lost 0.20%, but silver was up by 0.03%. Industrial metals were mixed, with aluminum up by 0.22%, but tin down by 0.74%. In currency markets, the euro was steady at $1.35 ahead of the European Central Bank meeting. The pound-to-dollar ratio was also little changed, with the pound losing 0.04% against the dollar. The yen lost 0.06% against the dollar, and weak Australian jobs data caused the Australian dollar to lose 0.36% against the dollar. Earnings reports due out on Thursday include HealthNet, Cablevision Systems, Priceline.com, and Groupon. Thursday will be a busy day on the economic calendar, with interest rate decisions from both the European Central Bank and the Bank of England. Other notable releases include German industrial production, U.S. initial and continuing jobless claims, U.S. GDP, and U.S. consumer credit. And that's it for today's Market Primer. I'm Laura Hoy from Benzinga. Good luck on your Thursday trades.